Start with a slip knot and chain 21, or else you can start off with any odd number of chains. One single crochet into the second chain from the hook, this one. One double crochet into the next stitch. One single crochet into the next stitch. One double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. One single crochet, one double crochet. One single crochet. In the last stitch you should finish it off with one double crochet. Chain one and turn your work. Next round, in the first stitch make one single crochet. Into the next stitch make one double crochet. To keep a check of the pattern, the double crochet will have a single crochet and the single crochet will have a double crochet on this. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. Next you have the double crochet, so here you will make a single crochet, one double crochet into the next stitch. Continue with the stitches, one single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. This is how it will look. In the last stitch, one double crochet. Chain one and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size that you need. The first stitch you'll start off with a single crochet and double crochet into the next stitch and continue with the stitches. Make the last stitch, chain one, turn your work and continue with the stitches. This is how the stitch pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.